August 24th. Me and wifey at the airport right now. About to go celebrate our anniversary. 5 years, B. What young people y'all know do that? Peep game.
I'm like, yo, that's
I don't know if that shit clear, but niggas just landed, B.
I'm like, that app.
TVBeats.
Bag, bro. My feet hurt already. Day one. Right now, we are waiting for this damn Uber. Peep the chaos though. God damn. Out here trying to get some goddamn food. Hungry. Mad hungry. I don't know what that is, but it's fire. This is when the room tour begins. You know, it's light work. We're gonna try to hit this pool if we can make it. Liquor on dizzy. Breakfast, don't know when the hell we're gonna get that. According to this creature. Full cups early in the morning. Look at that bullshit. Skirt. We're at the Harris right now. I'm about to go hit up Dreas. Go do this pool party joint. Sad thing is I can't take y'all with me, you dig? So I gotta leave the camera upstairs and all that. I'll probably take some pictures on my phone though. But I'll get back with y'all in a sec though. Man, did y'all see this shit? Me and Wifey came to the Venetian. Again. Is that a real man? Yeah, a real dude. Bang, though.
I think he's working.
See that? You getting that chicken.
Sorry.
son. My man Bobby on the boat. Singing to the ladies. You get him, Tony. Bobby, whatever I just called him. Feel me? Drunk as fuck. Look at her. Yo. The fuck?
Oh, can we sit next to the flamingo? Thank you. Perfect, right?
Super. So, I don't know, probably.
Oh, how old do I look?
What's the
Yay! Babe, he said I was 20. You should have recorded that.
I think I caught that.
Yay!
Please tell.
I'm 30.
Wrong tone. Chug, 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 chug. You gotta drink all of it. Chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it. Chug, 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 chug. Boop, 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 boop. Excuse me. What's good, y'all? Day 3, Vegas. We gonna be going to Dre's today because we couldn't go yesterday. You know what I mean? And they're not gonna let me take the camera, so I'm gonna put up some pictures right here. We back from the pool, about to go eat. Fucking hungry, B. Fleeky shit. Look at the color on this shit, though.
It's nice.
Strolling through the Bellagio, B. Always thinking nice shit, eh? This is like some shit Rihanna would have
You know, it
on.
would have been nice to eat there. It's a restaurant.
Yeah. Oh, can't even see that through the Jeep. Alright, picture tail. Not moving to Vegas.
We are moving to Vegas.
I'm still gonna be a Southside nigga. I'm a Delawarean now, actually.
In Vegas.
Sweet! Where you from? New York, New York. Where you from?
Well, guys, for I know a couple cards want to take out.
Look at the footwork. This footwork is serious.
You're not taking a picture?
Today is checkout day. Day 4. We are out of here, man. Vegas, thank you for having us. Y'all fucked me up with these big ass drinks we had yesterday. But time to go. Ain't got shit else to do right now.